I need to set up. I'm not gonna hold this in my hand all day. I gotta eat. Hey everybody, I'm at Cheesecake Factory. When I say I'm so happy, I knew this is in my other area where I used to stay at. So I said I have to like travel there, and I thought it wasn't in my area. So I looked and I seen it. So I was like, oh, let me come here and see it. Today is my 9-year. That's not listen to me. Today is my 9-year brain aneurysm survival. So I said that's time to celebrate. So I'm here to celebrate, y'all. So far, they brought me the bread. I think I seen a survey, not really a survey, a poll was saying like who had the best bread. I even did one. I see some people say they like Cheesecake Factory bread. I never had their bread, but I'm gonna try it today. And what did I order? It's called honey truffle chicken. It comes with mashed potatoes and asparagus. I switched out the asparagus. What did I get? Broccoli. And instead of mashed, they had rice, brown and white. If they had yellow, I would have got that. I like white rice, but I just stuck with the mashed potatoes. And I also ordered the appetizer. We had to tell her no onions, because I don't think you can really take these out. The chilies, they have the Southwest rolls. I did one on my cheddar as well. But didn't see that. Let's first look at this first, then check it out. But here, they have it as well. But it's called, oh, find it. Where you at? Hot and stuff. Come on, wherever y'all. Tired of y'all not doing the right thing. It's called Tex-Mex egg rolls. And no, they're not Texan. Egg rolls can't Tex. No, that's what it's called. They have spicy chicken in it, corn, black beans, peppers, onions, melty cheese, and it's served with avocado cream and salsa. Yes. Yeah, I ain't gonna tell y'all the prices of some of these things. Well, I can tell you the prices of these things really good. I'm gonna splurge a little bit. Usually I want to do it, but hey, today's my day. But today's God's day. This is the day that He have made, and I will rejoice and be glad in it. I thank you, Lord, for 9 years of me living through this brain aneurysm. Glory to God for that. So a lot of people who I know who had an aneurysm, they either passed away or either they're like a vegetable. People that had brain aneurysms, it wasn't like mine because they didn't have to learn how to walk again or anything like that. They just had like surgery to get rid of the brain bleed. So everybody's like, it's a little bit different. Mine, I had to do all of that. So I'm like, God, what? Not hate on them and not like that, but like, God, why had had to learn how to walk again and stuff like that? But allow different things for different people. So what somebody else might be faced with, you might not be faced with. And I'm just grateful to be alive, here for my kids, and just here for people, but people that I could be of service to, and I can serve the Lord. That's enough of that. I'm gonna get into this. I'm gonna put some butter on here. Yeah, I forgot to tell them no onions and no peppers. But like I said, in those egg roll things, I think it's okay because it's really small. Okay, it's 2 types of bread. I don't know if it's artisan bread or it's some type of bread. And they got this wheat looking, like oatmeal in it, oatmeal flakes or something in it. Break off now. Like the rock. Oh, like the rock. Why so hard? Hopefully I ain't got to do a full tofu. She wouldn't be singing. This lady on income. I tasted only I don't know if it's artisan bread. I tasted it. I don't like it. Like it's not fitting for just eat regular bread. You gotta dip that in like some soup or dip or something. That's the type of bread for that. Just eat it like that by itself. Try to break my teeth off. Alright, I'm gonna get into this bread now. I'm gonna try it again with butter this time. Get out my way there. It was better with the butter, but put you to the side. So disappointed in you. I'm gonna get to these arrows. Now these look good. Even though I would say chef, even the waitress was asking me about it. I'm gonna get into it now. First, I'm gonna eat it without the sauce first. That was good. That was delicious. It is a little spicy, but not overly spicy. I like guacamole. That is good. Okay. Y'all redeemed yourself with arrow. Cut of bread. The arrow, good. I like it's just cilantro and like guacamole. It's a little salsa. I don't know how the salsa looking like hot sauce a little bit, like sriracha. Oh yeah, it is. I gotta be careful when you have like corn or either tomatoes with onions in it. I gotta be careful because I don't want them onions in my stuff. Hello, I'm in salsa. I got my boat. Appetizer. Cheesecake. Oh yeah. And for the girl, the woman, I'm gonna say girl because this girl like behavior. For the one that thought she was so good to go to cheesecake, complaining. All I gotta say is, not to you, but to the men that took you out. Take me out. I bet y'all eat and enjoy. Oh yeah, this is my first time Cheesecake Factory fan. Tell y'all, but I enjoy it. All the stuff they got on me and you. You want to complain? I ain't too much like the bread. I might dip some of the bread inside the guacamole. Remember I told you need like some type of dip or something. And never really could help this bread. I'm about to flip this across the table. Some of the stuff I think of, I'm like, where you come up with this stuff? Like this bread been in the cover too long. And I don't even use the word cover. Alright, this is, I'm gonna say grits. This is mashed potatoes. Look pretty good though. Salted. Some butter in it. I think it just needed a little cream cheese. I want to taste that little bit of that cream cheese taste. I'm more of a rice person. Mashed potatoes would be, that's what anything. It could be meatloaf, anything that a lot of people eat mashed potatoes with. Rice, baby, sign me up. Like I said, I can't make my facial expressions I want to because looking at me that work here. But they're going right now with this broccoli. All they did was put this in the water for like 10 seconds. I tell you, and no taste, no salt or nothing. And it's still crunchy. Now I told them I want to try salt. If you just blanch it, I could care less about a beautiful green color. I want my food to taste it to me. I prefer that more than just color or just be appetizing as far as like looking. Be appetizing in my mouth, not just my eyes. It's just like a cake with fondue. Any cake with fondue is beautiful. It's look better than any other regular like buttercream cake. However, buttercream tastes better. I don't want fondue really. Like when I'm eating a cake, my first thing I'm gonna go for is a regular buttercream because it tastes better to me. The fondue look prettier, but the buttercream tastes better. That's what food too. Oh, it's so tender and good. I say this is tender, good. This actually remind me of when I went to Bahama Breeze. If you see, I did for my birthday last year. A honey butter crispy chicken sandwich. I can taste the honey, but I also taste seasoning on this. You want me over. And it's tender. Tender love. Oh, so tender. It kind of reminds me of that. I'm working for the same company, Cheesecake and Bahama Breeze. Bahama Cheesecake? Bahama Cheesecake Factory, because when I tell you this thing falling off the bone, honey taste, it's not like so bold, but you still can taste it though. It's good, it's so tender, juicy. But I like the chicken. The mashed potatoes are alright too. It ain't bad, but it's alright. The broccoli, I can do now. I'm sure I'm not gonna eat all this, so I'll take this home and, you know, put some seasoning on it, jazz it up. I'm gonna just stick to this, well, just the bottom of it hard too. I'm stick to the middle and probably try to eat some of this chicken with it. Now let me down. Giving you another go, second chance. Like God gave me another second chance. Me being here. I do know I died. I don't know if you see my testimony for this year. It's right here on my channel. Remember? Stop wasting all your time. You ain't doing that anyways. Pretty good, yum. Chicken's great. Get back at you when I order the cheesecake. Lord's will.
A few moments later.
I'm not upset, but I'm just a little disappointed because I wanted cookies and cream cheesecake. That's when I saw it, looked so good. But they said they don't sell it. And they said they never did, she don't think. So I first I wanted the peanut butter one. It had like caramel and peanut butter. I'm like looking. I ended up getting a cinnamon roll one. It's cinnamon swirl. Yeah, you want 4K. I feel like they were looking to see if I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. I'm recording about my food. That's what I do. I ain't studying, yeah. But be glad I don't want to use my hands today. I was about to use them. Here you are. Thank you. You're welcome. It's not like it's all cheesecake. It's like cheesecake, but the middle of it, it says cinnamon. It's made like with cinnamon dough, like a cake, that cinnamon cake. This might be up my alley because, you know, I like stuff like, well, I like my shadow. Alright, I don't know if it cut off or not, but I'm trying to get full off of there. But I don't know if y'all seen it. I guess that's what honey chicken is, fried, and they got the honey on it. I didn't realize that the camera cut off for the umpteenth time, but to get into this pie / cake, it wasn't all cheesecake. Like the middle, it was like the actual dough of a buttercream cake. That's why I liked it so much, because it was a combination. And when I tell you it tasted just like cinnamon, it actually reminded me of the Cinnabon, but in the cake form. Like the Cinnabon have cream cheese frosting, you know, it's a cheesecake. So like my fingernails done, they totally nailed it. Get it? And no, it's not corny. It's cool. There it is. Now I will rate everything a 9. Now, you can't be called the Cheesecake Factory and not deliver on no cheesecake. So, yes, that was superb, y'all. The chicken was juicy and good. The atmosphere was inviting. The mashed potatoes wasn't bad either. And as far as the broccoli and the bread, it's a no for me. And so was the total. But, you know, it was my day, so I ain't too much mind. But, yeah, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.